Gotcha. Some head shakes. A lot of head shakes. It is a chain pickerel, that's why I got a chain. Not a huge one. And he nailed it. And I got him to the lips. So you can't quite get to those teeth. Try grabbing him. This is risky. It's a risky maneuver here. Oh yeah, I got the chain pickerel and the crappie. Yeah, so you gotta try to get his mouth. Oh, it's just a little scary to try it. Gotcha. Don't like it, but I gotcha. Try to get our hook out without hurting him. Gotcha. There's a healthy specimen. Almost got it. Gotcha. That's nice. Good looking specimen. Not that big though yet. Let's see if we can release him. Yeah, he'll be okay. Good.